G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this place that we're at now is something that in a previous video I called the Hoarder's House, and I guess a couple of you had a bit of a, I don't know, I wouldn't say cry about it because that's a bit harsh, but just me not knowing whether it was a hoarder's house or not. It was just something I called the video. I named these videos after just randomness. There used to be a massive pile of junk outside the house that looked a bit too much to belong inside the house. So I actually called it the Hoarder's House. Anyway, if you remember a video that I called the $9.504 million abandoned Sydney mansion, this is its neighbour. And that's the laundry. So this place and the beautiful mansion next door are going to be, or possibly have already been, from the time you have all seen this video, demolished to make way for apartments. And I'm here to document this. Already been here. However, it's good to do a re-explore now that it's been sort of, I guess, cleared out a little bit more. Something fell on me, unless it was just me.
There's a massive turd on the floor over there. So
where?
Where all the flies are over there.
Oh, right. Yeah, I know, I see it. There's a bloody thing there, and a lot of flies in here.
And mosquitoes.
And if I turn the corner and there's a fucking body, I'm gonna... Oh, now I know why the flies are there. Oh, shit. Kitchen. Wasn't there a money box in here you were really trying to open?
Oh, yeah. I haven't
No.
done that one.
Me neither. Chandelier. Old brother fax machine. The difference from this time to last time is that we actually entered through the back of the house. Bit of natural light there. Bathtub. Toilet. A chair to sit down and do your office work and drown your laptop in. Things like that. A lot of chairs stacked up here now.
There's shit everywhere.
There is shit everywhere. Someone's a fan of Time magazine. Anybody here a fan of Time magazine?
No.
This person was. Yeah, these shoes are like cement shoes. They're like fucking heavy as all shit. Okay, if anybody's wondering why I didn't open that door before, I don't know. But this is what's on the other side of it. This is the Time magazine room. Cleared the ceiling. You got a lot of stuff here. I had to move out. I wouldn't say pretty quickly, but they're just gone. So the reason why I called it the Hoarder's House, not like I have to explain everything, but right here on the lawn used to be a massive, like up to here, pile of just junk. Seemed to sort of be a bit too much to be in that house. So I just made a quick decision to name it Hoarder's House. But yeah, anyway, that's all for this shortish video. So this house and the one beyond the bamboo, which is that beautiful $9.5 million mansion, is yeah, by this point most likely gone. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and share the video and all that shite, and I'll catch you all very soon. Cheers.